Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have my Scentsy Whiff Box. I'm going to do an unboxing. This sat out on my porch on my old house for like 24 hours in the heat, so hopefully it's okay. I just recently moved. As you can probably see, the change of scenery here. I'm filming on my new kitchen counter, and I think there's good lighting here, so let me guys know if you like this spot or not. I also have been sponsored for a few videos by the Coldest Water. I love this bottle. It's insulated, and I used this all during our move. It was like 90-degree weather the entire time, and I left this in my car because I was in and out. Stayed cold. It was fabulous. There's a link below if you want to order anything and a promo code, and there's also a giveaway link, so you can click on that and see if you can win yourself one. So it feels like something got wet, but I wonder if it's just the condensation from the gel packs. We'll see. Go coconuts. They always have like a little pamphlet inside, little things to do. You can cut these out, make little picture frames. Okay, I just turned on the above light instead of the natural light, so maybe that helps. It'll take me a while to get used to the, filming in a different house. So I have 2 packs of Amazon Rain washer whiffs. I like these. You just put them in with your laundry and they smell really nice. And my poor little nails are bare. They got all broken up during the move. So I took them off and just have not had the time. Here's another one of those fragrance flowers. So they just sent me one of these, what, 2 months ago, I think? 3 months ago? This one's also Amazon Rain. I'm actually going to put this out in the house now too. You just open up the container and stick the wick in there. And then looks like an adorable flower on top. I'm gonna put that like in the back of the house, I think. So cool. I never used my other one because I knew I would be moving, and I just kind of kept a lot of that stuff for the new house. Next up, pineapple coconut vanilla hand cream. Ooh, I bet that smells so good. It's been a while since I've used their hand cream. Probably years, actually. That smells good. It's a nice summer scent. So I got that. And then all the wax should be in here. Normally get several bars and the testers. Here's the frozen gel pack. That's probably what saved my my wax since it was sitting out on the porch for so long. Cocoa lime. I can smell it already. Yeah, that's got a strong lime scent, but then it's softened with the coconut, and that one's a keeper for sure. Go mango. That smells familiar, but I can't. Oh, that's why, duh. I have the mango kitchen counter spray that they sent in several boxes ago. That smells good too. I like the kitchen counter spray. And then our 2 samples, we have Mahalo Coconut and Aloe Vera and Ivory. I love getting these. I wish they would just do a box of just these every month or something, every other month. That one's a light smell, but nice. And let's try this one. Ooh, kind of smells like cucumber, even though it's aloe vera and ivory. Very nice. So that is what I got this month. This is awesome because you can pause it if you want to skip months, if you're like building up on too many bars or whatever. But I like it. I like being surprised every month. And the only stuff I don't use is like the pet stuff, but I've been able to give it to my mom or, you know, my best friend who has a dog and stuff like that. So love it. If you'd like to join, I have a link below for the lady I use. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.